So today I'm showing you how to make instant chocolate mousse with just 2 ingredients. Start off by taking 100 grams of chocolate and slice them into smaller pieces. This will help the chocolate to melt faster. When you're one time through, give it a 90-degree twist and cut it into nice little cubes. After that, transfer the chocolate into our bowl and give it some water in a pot to make a water bath. Turn on low heat so that the chocolate doesn't get too hot. Then when the chocolate is melted, remove it from the water bath and let it cool down until it reaches finger temperature. In the meantime, give 250 milliliters of cream in a bowl and whisk the heck out of it so that it gets more volume and becomes fluffy. Now that is the thickness we want to have. When the chocolate is cooled down, add 2 tablespoons of still liquid chocolate to the whipped cream and start mixing. It is important to add the chocolate step by step so the heat does not melt the whipped cream. Continue this step until the whole chocolate is fully incorporated. Make sure to clean the edges so we don't waste any food. Then take a bowl, or in my case a cup, and fill it with the chocolate mousse. The chocolate mousse should cover the whole cup so that no space is left. After that, scratch away the overstanding mousse to create an even surface. Top the chocolate mousse off with some cocoa powder and add a few chocolate flakes. And here comes the moment we've all been waiting for. Take the biggest spoon and dig into the chocolate mousse. Wow, it is very creamy and has a rich chocolate flavor. If you want to see more food videos, hit the subscribe button. See ya!